Hello everyone! So today I have an older MacBook Air with a problem when the keyboard and the trackpad is not working. So from my experience, most case scenario it is gonna be a faulty flex cable which is connecting the board with the trackpad. But let's find this out together, okay? So I will show you what's happening. So if I'm gonna open the Mac, you see the mouse is stuck in the corner and it's not moving anywhere. And if I try to type with the keyboard, it is not typing anything here. But if I do SMC reset, the keyboard does respond. Okay. If I do RAM reset, the Mac is starting and it's restarting. Yeah. So the RAM reset is working, the SMC reset is working, so the keyboard does respond, okay? So if the trackpad is not working and the keyboard is working, something's related with the trackpad itself, okay? Either way, it could be faulty trackpad flex, or something else is causing this, okay? So first thing, what I will try to do, I have to open this up and see what I will find inside. Okay, let's take off the cover. Voila. See, there is some liquid marks here. Cola, coffee, who knows. Okay, this changed again. I can see some liquid marks here, so basically it seems like it's liquid damaged. Okay, let's disconnect the battery and let's remove the battery. Okay, so once the battery is removed, we are seeing our trackpad. So as you can see here, our flex cable from the board is connected to the trackpad, and from the trackpad there is a keyboard connected here as well. So this is a big part of the machine, so on all MacBooks the trackpad is important, okay? So what I will try to do, because in most case scenarios it might be this flex cable which is faulty. So what I will try to do, I will try to replace it. And I have a good working cable here, so I'm gonna fit a replacement cable, and let's hope this is gonna fix the issue. I'm gonna put the battery back in. I'm gonna secure it with one screw. Let's plug this in and let's start the Mac. And I think we fixed it, no? This is an easy one, few minute job, yeah? Okay, and the mouse is moving. You're kidding me. It's not moving. The keyboard is not typing. Well, this means it's not a flex ribbon, okay? So what I'm gonna do now, I will try to replace the trackpad itself. And by replacing the trackpad, it should solve the problem, unless there is something else wrong, which is very unlikely, but we will check. Just I'm not happy with that liquid mark. This is my flex. I'm gonna put a different good working trackpad. I'm gonna disconnect the keyboard. I lift this one up and we have the trackpad out. Now we're gonna use our trackpad. And I will secure it just the 2 screws as we only testing. Let's connect the keyboard. This one is a bit tricky. Okay, the keyboard is connected, and we're gonna use our flex. Okay, with everything ours, because this one is a good working trackpad and a good working tested flex cable. Okay, we got them in. Let's fit back the battery. Let's plug it in. Let's open it up. Let's start the Mac. Okay, did we fix it? No way. Still not working. And the keyboard is not typing. SMC reset does work. So this means it's not a trackpad, it's not a trackpad flex cable, okay? Because we saw some liquid marks, something must have happened with the board. Let's find this out. What I will do now, I will take the board out, and also I will take my trackpad, because it's not a trackpad. Such a shame. This is mine's, this is yours. Okay, so if it's not a trackpad, the problem will be somewhere here on the board. So let's take the board out of this unit. Okay, we have the board out. Let's see what we can find. Okay, let's search the board. That's our Wi-Fi. This is the battery connector. This is our trackpad connector. Okay, seems all good. Okay, so far so good. Let's flip it over. A little bit dusty. Our SMC chip sits here. Oh, what's that? See this one? Looks green. This looks green. Okay, so we have corrosions down here and start rusting. I think we found the problem. think we found the problem. Let's find out what is this. I will switch to schematics. Here we are. So this is our board, okay. This is our flex connector, which is going to the trackpad. Okay, that's our CPU. This is our SSD drive. So what we're looking at, we're looking on the other side of the board. So this is our ISL chip, and this is the one which is corroded. Okay. So we have PP3 V3 power rail here connected, and this is trackpad SPI, and another one trackpad SPI connection. Okay, so if this is corroded, it won't work. Okay, because the signal should go through this part, and if this one is damaged, it won't work. So what I will try to do now, I will take this out and see what's underneath of it, because it seems like it's rotten. Okay, so we have this one coming here, this one's training, connecting, and it goes there. It goes to the terminal. Nice. So this connects here. If we're gonna check, where is it going? If we're gonna check there, and this connects to our trackpad flex. Okay, so if the signal is cut here, it's not going through here to there, it won't work. Okay, so let's take this one out and try to fit a new one, if possible, because this seems to be rotten and corroded. So where we are down here. This bad boy needs to go out. How bad you are. I'm gonna do just a quick check the multimeter, see what are we getting, what readings. Let's say I want to test this pad here. Remember 0.9. This is gonna be the same one here. This one seems in a normal range. This maybe it's too high, maybe that's how it should be because it's going to the actual terminal, but I'm not sure. And here, oh, here is a problem. I can't measure it there. I need to soften this corrosion because it will rip the board out with all the pads, with everything. Nice. What do we have here? Do we still have the pad? Yes, we do have a pad. That's amazing. It's good. It's very good. Okay. We have to add some solder. A little bit flux. That's nice. Looking really good. Okay, we have fresh solder there. Now we need to find the replacement part, okay? We have a donor board here, and we can take our part from it. That's the one we need. As you can see, this board is missing already some components here and there. What we need is this one. Okay, we have our donor part out. Now we just need to solder it back here. A little bit flux. Okay, let's clean this part here. Okay, so we have our new part fitted in, and let's check the readings. So, okay, how much it was before? 0.93, yes, if I remember. It changed and it's going up. Maybe it's because it's still hot, it's closing down. It's okay. That's okay. Before I wasn't able to check them because it was corroded all the way around. It might go to the same number because it's still warm, so anyway, let's leave it as it is. Let's assemble it back and see if we resolve the problem. Let's plug this in, everything's connected, and let's give it a go. Well, it's starting, it's a good sign. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, no. I think it won't move. I'm not sure why. But we changed the trackpad, wasn't this? We changed the flex cable, wasn't this? We found the corrosion marks, and this was on the trackpad power rail. So this has to be this. Hey! The mouse is moving again. How about the keyboard? And the keyboard is typing. Hey, we fixed it. You see? So sometimes it's not flex cable, sometimes it's not the trackpad. Sometimes it's a tiny corrosion mark on the specific power rail which is controlling the trackpad. What can I say? Another one fixed Mac. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.